Are we really that expensive? Or are they just cheap? I don't know, but I'm gonna let them know right now, y'all. You ready for this? I'm gonna let them know. Here we go. I just wanna let you know, this nail job ain't easy, yo. Sitting in one place for 80 minutes straight, my back be hurting, my neck be hurting, eyes get blurry, throat get thirsty, stomach get hungry, ass get itchy, but face still look pretty. That's right. Regardless how we feel, we wanna make sure my service is 100% real. So sit back still, let go the negative things that you feel, cause your nail tech is about to get ill. All your secrets about to get spilled. That's right, while your nails looking cute. That's right. Yeah, here we go. But let me keep it real, us nail techs feel very blessed when you left the set, cause we wanna give you nothing but the best. Even if you think us a little less, especially when it comes to paying for a set. Some of y'all think nails should be 25 or less. Bitch, at this point you should do your own set. This ain't 2004, $25 out the door. At this point, product and supply cost more. If we gonna cost you low, how we gonna expect us to eat, yo? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I know we make it look easy, put tips and acrylic and some polish, but you don't realize the days and the nights and the money we spend shit to get this right. So next time when you think a Nailtech's price ain't right, remember, you just a little tight. You wanna look right, but you don't wanna pay for that price. Enough said, we still love you anyways. Come and get your nails done, cause we wanna have fun. Remember, your Nailtech is the one that will make you feel like you're the one. Cause you know why? We love you a long time. That's right, boo. We love you a long time.